A recent article that I read by Ezra Klein in Vox about how politics makes us stupid seemed to have a real interesting set of relationships that appeared to have a much broader application than just politics. So if the idea is that if we begin with a need to fit into some group of people one way or another, that causes us to then act consistent with the norms of that group because it gives us a sense that it will enable us to fit in, which is what we're trying to accomplish. And so, therefore, as we begin to act more and more consistent with that set of group norms, we do, in fact, fit in. And as we fit in more and more, we begin to adopt the beliefs of the group that we're endeavoring to fit in with. And that set of beliefs causes us to discount facts which are inconsistent with that set of group norms. Because not accepting facts which are inconsistent with the group norms would sort of put at risk our ability to fit in with the group. So we continue to discount things that are inconsistent with what the group says they believe. Though in doing that, it causes an alienation from other groups, which then further promotes our perception that we need to fit in, and we end up with a very vicious reinforcing cycle where our need to fit in causes us to do things to fit in, which causes us to do things which make it more difficult for us to fit in other places, so that we strive even more to fit in with the groups that we do fit in with. Now, this, as I said, while this was an article about why politics makes us stupid, if you think about it, this identity protection is sort of consistent with individuals attempting to fit into any group, with teenagers fitting into cliques. It's just sort of universal. And if you surface this reality or this truth to someone that's caught in this vicious reinforcing structure, what's their likely response? They're most likely to simply deny that they are doing this, that they are caught in this structure. So the question that I pose is, how is it that you would in fact enable someone to be aware of what it is that they're actually doing to themselves? Because you can't simply tell them, because what you're telling them is in fact a fact that's inconsistent with their what they're doing to try to fit in to this particular group. So how do we overcome this? Look forward to your interactions in the discussion. Bye.